because at the end of the day, I think, we not only it's not just that we want recognition, but we want to feel valued. And really, in having a good conversation with someone that's not just respectful and compassionate, you're really giving somebody that, which is a great way, not just for you to show your self-respect, because, personally, I believe nice people will treat other people nicely, right? People who are troubled will often reflect those feelings and actions and decisions onto other people too.
You could use it both ways.
Yeah.
You can either absorb it or you can deflect it. But how about this? At least someone's sharing something with me.
Yes.
So if they're comfortable enough to disclose their thoughts, I can't judge. I will at the end, and I'll explain why. But I like to understand and put myself in their shoes. And then if somebody is, as you were mentioning, the latter, the one that's lashing out, could be negative, that's the super cry for help. And I've seen certain wrestling moves where someone can use their weight against themselves.
Yeah.